Hello and welcome. Welcome back to my coffee corner. For those that do not know, I'm based out of Bangkok, and unfortunately this time we are in a lockdown. That means I am definitely working from home, working in my kitchen. From Bangkok, we are going to Mexico. I'm going to show you how to make Mexican coffee this time. I've shown you how to make Spanish latte, so now we're going to Mexico. What's special about Mexican coffee? Well, it is the use of chocolate and cinnamon. So what it is really is mocha with cinnamon. Therefore, it's like a combination of mocha and cappuccino in one. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, we need coffee. I'm using medium roast coffee here because I'm going to make hot and ice. We need milk. We need chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce. I'm using a commercial one here, Da Vinci, and we need cinnamon. Now, not many of you will be able to find chocolate sauce or syrup at home, so we are going to make chocolate syrup from scratch. And that means we are only going to use chocolate powder, any dark chocolate powder will do, and condensed milk. So I am trying to make it simpler for you to find the ingredients that you will be using for this Mexican coffee. Let's start by making our homemade chocolate sauce. I need 2 ounces of my condensed milk, if you'd like it to be less sweet, you can also use my milk syrup. So 2 ounces of condensed milk, and to this we are going to add 1 scoop of your unsweetened chocolate powder. Combine well. And presto, you have thick, creamy, rich chocolate syrup or sauce. For today's Mexican coffee, we are going to make use of the espresso machine. In another video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the same drink using instant coffee and maybe cold brew. So stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. Let's start by making our hot Mexican coffee. So here's my 1 shot of espresso and here's my steamed milk. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of my homemade chocolate sauce. Just a little bit of cinnamon at this stage. Just a dash because I'm going to add more on top of the drink. So combine the chocolate sauce with the cinnamon and the espresso. It is smelling very good. There you go. And I would like to design this like a cappuccino, so I'm going to save my milk foam for later. So just put my milk there. And then more cinnamon. Now that we have our hot coffee, let us make iced Mexican coffee. For iced Mexican coffee, we need double basket because we are going to make 2 shots of espresso or 60 milliliters. I now have my 2 shots of espresso. Time to assemble them. I'm going to add 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounce of my chocolate syrup. Very thick chocolate syrup. Mix them well. I'm going to add some cinnamon. Okay, just a little bit. You don't want it to overpower the taste of your coffee. It is smelling gorgeous. Cinnamon, chocolate, and strong espresso. This is going to be really delicious. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for now. Now I'm going to make my cold milk foam using a milk frother and cold milk. Well, there you have it, guys, my version of Mexican coffee, hot and iced. Time for the moment of truth. Hot Mexican latte. It's mocha with cinnamon. Delicious. And now for iced Mexican coffee. Wow. Slightly lighter than a mocha. Let's give it a try. Cheers. The coffee is really good. It is mocha with cinnamon, so my mocha just got more exciting. That's it for you. Mexican coffee, hot and iced. Do give this recipe a try, and also something new to offer in your coffee shop. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know how you find these recipes. If there's anyone out there who would like me to feature their coffee recipe on this channel, let me know. Send me your recipe and I'll give them a try, and I'll also feature them on my channel. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.